Hi, it's my pleasure to introduce myself. I, D. Sankit Khanna, completed my graduation in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering from Gayatri Vidya Parishad College of Engineering, and presently I am pursuing my MBA in HR and Marketing from Bengaluru School of Management Studies. I am certified as admin and developer from Salesforce.com, which is a cloud computing platform, and I am the topper of the college, and I secured outstanding in Conte2 methods. Apart from my curriculum, I have chosen digital marketing as a course of independent studies. My field of interest is marketing, and I completed a customer satisfaction survey on retail experiences of urban customers as a minor project. Thank you.
Now I would like to tell about one of the interesting areas where our Bangalore School of Management Studies attracts more importance. It's nothing but business simulation games. Business simulation games is a simulation software which deals with various departments of the business and management like finance, operations, marketing, advertisement, etc. Will be given with the password and an email ID. You need to get registered in the Capstone Business Simulation website, and there after registering in the website you will be able to play with various games you will be giving some amount of money, and you need to invest accordingly in such a way that your company will get profits based upon the number of students available in the class. There will be number of teams participating in that business simulation game, and the main idea of this business simulation games and the beauty of this business simulation games is nothing but you can have a comparison between throughout the world. For example, if there are players playing the same type of business simulation games throughout the world, you can compare the players which are performing the same type of simulation throughout the world, and you can compare the results with them. So this is one of the advantage of the business simulation games. Finally, the takeaways through this business simulation games are nothing but I came to know about the practical scenario of investing the money according to your finances and thus making profits.
Hello everyone, it's a pleasure for introducing me. I am Sharath. I have completed my BTech in the specialization of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Currently, I am pursuing my last trimester in MBA in the specialization of Marketing and HR at BSMS Geetham University. My achievements are, I have successfully presented paper in IEEE conference. I have successfully presented paper on topic virtual reality and nano robotics at Hyderabad. I have successfully presented paper on re-engineering on Indian economy. I have successfully completed project on consumer behavior and satisfaction towards tourism and travel industry. My achievements are, these are my achievements. My areas of interest are marketing and business development. Currently, my corporate internship is at BPL Technovision. I am holding the role of a management trainee. My short-term goals are, I want to be a good employee in the organization. My long-term goals are, I want to hold a leadership positions in the company.
Hello everybody, my name is Bhargav. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to portray myself in front of you. I have graduated Bachelor's of Commerce from Andhra University, and I am pursuing my MBA in Geetham University, and the specialization is Marketing and HR. I have work experience for about 20 months, out of which 12 months I worked with Sutherland Global Services, where I worked as a technical support executive for AT&T Connectech process. After then, I moved on to Godrej and Boise, where I worked for 8 months as a marketing executive, and the main role over there was to collect leads and then generate some business. In Godrej and Boise, I used to collect leads and then generate business for the division called Security Solutions, and currently I'm employed at CRISIL Limited. Over here, the role which I perform is a role of a business development officer, wherein I collect leads and then again convert them into business. The division in which I am working for CRISIL is Bank Loan Ratings. It's a kind of corporate internship in which I am working here on behalf of Geetham University. Thank you very much.
This is Suman. It's my great pleasure to introduce myself in front of you. I did my BTech in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering, and now I am pursuing MBA in Geetham University in the area of Marketing and HR. Recently, I did my mini project regarding customer satisfaction towards mobile service provider. In that, I have identified very good results. Most of them are, while purchasing SIMs, they are considering network coverage area. In my BTech, I did my main project regarding railway track monitoring and accident avoidance system. My interested areas are industrial relationship. Recently, I got business English certificate from Cambridge University, and also I have participated in re-engineering Indian economy, and also I have participated in my college business simulation games, and that business simulation games I got third prize. BSMS offers business English certificate program from Cambridge University. For this exam, our college is providing 100 hours training period, and they are giving training by industrial experts. They are conducting 2 exams like high-end and vantage exams. They are conducting the skills regarding listening skills and speaking skill and writing skills, reading skills. Thank you for Getam University for giving this opportunity.
Hi, my name is Babji. I have done my graduation in BCom, and I am studying 6th semester of MBA at Getam University, Bengaluru School of Management with dual specialization in marketing and HR. My achievements are I was awarded the best captain in cricket tournament during my schooling days, and my interested areas are marketing with FMCG as a special interest. And now I would like to tell about Getam University infrastructure. We have good hostel facilities with good playground, and we are provided with well equipped libraries to enhance our knowledge. Thank you for Getam University giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Nikita from Vijayawada. Currently I am doing my 6th trimester in MBA in the area of marketing and HR. I completed BTech in electronics and communication engineering. My achievements are I have won 2nd prize in simulation games. I am an active member in NSS. I am awarded a certificate and a cash prize of 1,000 rupees by Andhra Bank. I am an active member in NHRD, National Human Resource Development. I am also participated in 7th summit of IMA. Recently I have conducted a customer satisfaction survey regarding healthcare services in Columbia Asia Hospital. Regarding Getam University, Bengaluru School of Management Studies, I want to share my views regarding Recruiters Corner, which was established in our website, Getam University website, Bangalore, where the recruiters can meet MBA students, and their resumes and video will be presented. In Getam University, Bangalore, we have come up with an innovative idea where recruiters can directly meet the student's profile without a face-to-face interview. Video resume will be uploaded so that the recruiters can directly see the website and select the students, and it consists of not only MBA students but also the alumni of Getam University. Thanks for giving me this opportunity.
Hello everyone, I am R. Sandeep Sharma. I have done my graduation in Bachelor of Technology from Geetanjali Institute of Science and Technology with Electronics Communication Engineering as my specialization. Presently I am pursuing MBA in Bengaluru School of Management Studies, Getam University with dual specialization in the area of marketing and HR. In my first year MBA, I completed my project title on study of customer satisfaction banking services. I presented paper title door opening and closing system by using smart card in Geetanjali Institute of Science and Technology. I was awarded a best captain for volleyball team in my graduation level. I was awarded as a best social voluntary award by Red Cross Society. My interest area is marketing. Our university has designed customized online certification programs in fundamentals of accounts, in fundamentals of quantity techniques, in fundamentals of economics, and basic English communication courses. These online courses will be available on our college websites, and we can avail this opportunity free of cost.
Hello, I am Amulya. I have done my graduation in Bachelor of Technology from Chalapathi Institute of Engineering and Technology with computer science as my specialization, and currently I am now pursuing my MBA in Bangalore School of Management Studies, Geetham University, with dual specialization in the area of HR and marketing. My curricular achievements are, I have awarded with first prize in business stimulation games conducted by our college, Bangalore School of Management Studies, with the collaboration with Capstone Stimulation Games. And I was stood in second in Business English Certification exam conducted by Cambridge University, London. And I did my project work titled A Study of Customer Behavior of Refrigerators. And I presented a paper titled E-Tendering in KL University, Vijayawada. Our university conducted as well as encouraged us to participate in different seminars and conferences. We have attended AIMA 7th Brand Summit and many other conferences conducted by NHRD, National Human Resource Development, and we have gained so much of knowledge by attending these conferences and seminars. Thank you for Geetham University for giving us this opportunity.
Hi, I am Pawan Kumar. I am a computer science graduate. At present, I am into the 6th trimester of MBA in Bangalore School of Management Studies, Geetham University. My projects are, I have done Hyderabad Talkies and customer relationship management at my graduation level, and a survey on customer satisfaction report about laptops in my MBA. My achievements are, I have awarded as best captain in cricket at school level. I have awarded a memento for being champion in badminton. My participations are, I have participated in a seminar on re-engineering Indian economy and a symposium on entry-level talent acquisitions conducted in my university. My interest areas are, I am interested into FMCG and apparel industry. My experience, at present I am doing a corporate internship at Champions Group. They are into the real estate, marketing and cloud services. This is all about me.